What happened, honey?
Someone's got diarrhea. You got it. You're doing great. Good job.
That's right.
High five.
Get that rebate. Well, let me tell you, nothing about this is fun. It's hot, it's dusty, it's dirty.
Is your mom always like that, dude?
But that is the progress so far. It takes a little bit, and I was trying to get down pretty deep. When I took all the coating off the deck with that diamond brush, I got kind of deep in a few spots, like right in here. And I was trying to sand some of those out, but I don't think I'm gonna do that going forward. I'm just gonna take some of this, what I'm calling fuzz off the top, smooth it out, put the sealer on it and call it a day. Well, it'll be a few days. So I'll call it a few days. And in the meantime, everybody else is enjoying the pool and I'm sweating. Well, it is the next day and we are on our way back to Menards because we bought the Thompson's water seal, and I kept thinking about it, and I remembered that after a year or so, it grays really bad. We didn't want it tiger striped or leopard printed, so we're gonna go back to the redwood stain that we originally used from when we refinished it from the last time we messed it up. So we don't want to mess it up again. So back to Menards, exchange that stuff out, and then get some breakfast, and then we'll be back at it for day number 2.
You say so, boss.
She's the boss. I would have left it.
If I was the boss, we would have done composite a long time ago. Probably wouldn't have to do this again.
Yeah. Yeah, but she's the boss. We don't need more popsicles. We've been working on that, getting over that uncomfortableness of filming in public. So we did all this filming and we didn't have any sound.
I was here for support.
Yeah. So we're gonna do all this again. Here we go. But look, I got 2 t-shirts for $6. Here's what we've got so far. Coming back this way. And it, ooh, God. That deck is hot. Woo.
Oh, man.
But it is getting there, slowly but surely.
And don't call me Shirley.
We will finish it off. But we need a break in the shade.
You nap.
And some water.
Yes.
It is so hot. Sitting in front of a fan. And I just realized I've already injured myself and I didn't even know it. You got a blister started right there on my knee. Then I got that bad boy on my other knee. Boop, 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 boop. Have to take care of that. Gingers don't do well in the heat. I'm hot. Hot. My lovely wife went in to get me something to fix my knee. I have a knee pad. Should probably use it. See? All better. Thanks to my lovely wife. Reinforcements arrived. I think that is enough for today. Got that little section there to finish. Got a little section over here to finish. But it's party time at the moment. One more section done. Just that one to go. And we got most of this side all done, and most of that side is ready. It's a beautiful 90-degree, super humid day. So what better to do than stain the deck? It is not about working harder. It is about working smarter. Oh yeah, look at that. Watch this, honey.
Hi, guys.
Look. Don't even have to bend over. If it works, is it a dumb idea? Last time I seen something like this, it was my roommate shaving his back. Well, we made it this far with 2 gallons. I severely underestimated how much stain we'll need. It is considerably darker than it was the first time we did it. It was more of a gold color last time, but I'm guessing that's because of the age of the wood. Everything gets better with age though, right?
Right.
So now it's back to Menards for more stain. Again.
Knickknacks.
No knickknacks. Let's roll. And we did put our canopy up, give us some shade while we're working.
Give you shade.
Yeah, give me shade. I'm pale, I burn, and it's hot. Change of shirt, 3 more gallons of stain later. Let's get back to it.
It's ready.
Got a small nightmare of a mess, but it is completed with the exception of the railing. We can't walk on it to do the inside of the railing, so I think we'll just finish up the outside of the railing, wait till tomorrow when the rest of the deck is dry, and then we'll finish the inside. She got all the steps done. They look amazing. They had never been done since I put them on. I want to see if water beads. Let's take a little bit of water. Oh yeah. That's what we want to see. All the outside's done. Thank you, honey. We just have the inside of the railing to do and the top of the railing. That'll be it. That's for tomorrow. For now, we're cleaning up a huge mess we made just to paint.